Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. Now it's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to see what's new on the shelves. Now they had so many new plus and 125 items that I have never seen, so be sure to look out for these items on your next trip to the Dollar Tree. So let's dive in. Now starting off in the plus section, look at these memory foam mats. Now these are $5. They had them in assorted holiday prints, which was really cute. They had the worded one. Here's one with gnomes with candy canes and gifts. Here is one that's solid red with snowflakes. Now these are super thick and comfortable. They had like a velvety feel to them. A really good deal for $5. They went really quickly. Now, I always love the wreaths at the Dollar Tree, but look at this berry wreath, you guys. I think this is so gorgeous. Now, all of these large wreaths at the Dollar Tree are $5. I really do love this berry one. This has to be one of my favorites. And they did have a berry and pine cone mix one here that you can also choose from for $5. Now in the light section, this was a new find for me, these Joy lights. I've never seen these before. Really fun for the holidays for $5. And look at this 4-foot giant felt tree. Now they have a little bag of little ornaments that come with it. I think this is so fun for the littles. It just makes them feel so accomplished that they decorated their own tree. I think this is so fun, and it's only $5. Now, this was also another new find for me. They have these silicone oven mitts. They did have the topper in assorted holiday prints, which was really cute. These are only $3 a piece. Now, the thickness of these is really nice. They have a silicone outer layer and a padded inner layer. They are really good quality, and for $3, such a great deal. Now here's another first time find for me. These little bell napkin rings. Now these are made out of miniature little bells, you guys. So they had them in a gold color, a red, and also a silver. I think these are adorable. These would look so good on a place setting on a holiday table for $3. Now these were a new arrival. They just put these on the shelves. These large bins, wow. All I can say is wow. They are such a large size, so well made. I was so impressed with these, with the two-tone, really good quality. They're only $5, you guys. I did grab a few. I might go back for more, but if you see these, grab them. I have a feeling they won't last at $5 each. Now another basket that they had new on the shelves is this wire basket. I love the fact that it has the canvas liner in there that ties in, gives you that really farmhouse look, and it also had real wood handles. So these are also $5 as well. Now here's another basket that I saw, great for storage. Now this is a kind of a woven plastic material, and the good thing is that you can stuff these to the brim and they expand a little bit because of the design. These are $5. They have the metal support at the top with the handles, and then that woven design in black and white. Now this was a score for me. Look at these beautiful oil and vinegar bottles. Now I did have to open them to check them out, and when I saw them I was so blown away. Look how gorgeous these are. These are so well made. I definitely put this one in my cart. I'm planning on customizing it with my Cricut, so if you see these, go ahead and grab them. You will not be disappointed. These are such a good find for $5. Now look, they have book stacks. Oh my goodness. So they did have book stacks in the plus section. This is a large book stack. This is 3 times as big as the one that they sell in the 125 section. These are $5. It comes with the twine and the beads. So adorable for only $5. Now, if you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus, I wanted to let you know that I have put together a short video answering all of these questions listed, and I will walk you through the locator process and share information about new store openings directly from the Dollar Tree corporate website. Just click the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video or the link in the description box below to find out everything you need to know. So now, let's jump into the 125 items at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm starting off in the gift boxes. Now this is the time they come out with all of their boxes, and look at these little huts that in the Christmas theme. They have little pet houses in the Christmas theme. Here's one with little stones and gnomes. These are so cute and make perfect gifts or even tissue box covers. Now look at these. These are in the shape of a box, you guys. They have this vintage Santa on the front of these. These come in multiple sizes, so you can choose the size that you want, and that way you can make sure it fits whatever gift that you are giving. Now I love this Holly Berry Farm. It's got red polka dots for the pages. So cute and adorable with the trees on there. Now, I featured a sign like this in my last haul, but look, they have one that says Merry and Bright and Joy to the World. So these are two different versions of the Christmas tree sign that I saw in my last haul video. And then I went down the food aisle. Look at these little packages of chicken noodle soup. Now I am on the hunt for basket fillers and stocking stuffers, and this fit the bill. This is so cute. They had them in two different designs. So if you're looking for small items like this to put in stockings or gift baskets, don't miss out on that food aisle. Now look at these little decorations. These pillows, this is the first time I've seen these at my Dollar Tree this year. I've seen the pouches, but I have not seen the pillows. Now I did see these in 3 different styles. So if you see this at your Dollar Tree, you are lucky. Grab them while you can. Now they did have the little trays out, the freezer trays for ice cubes, or you can use them for cold molding. I think that these are so cute. This one is in a bell design. They have them in candy cane and candy designs. They also had a blue one that had a penguin holiday design. So if you see these, grab them. I think these would be fun to make chocolate molds, ice cubes, and anything cold. I think that would be so much fun. So grab some when you see them. Now, if you like the tinsel decor, look at this gnome. This is the first time I'm seeing the gnome design in the little tinsel decor. They also had Santa. Now, here's a one-eyed Santa. Don't worry about him. They did have one with 2 eyes if you want both of the eyes on there. You can always remove the tinsel on these if you want to decorate them a different way. Now, I did see one also in this little penguin design. I thought he was adorable. Such a cute little design to customize and add to your decor. And they also have one in the shape of a house. Again, you can remove the tinsel and decorate and craft with these however you like. The shape is what you need, and so you'll be able to make anything that you love. And check these out. These are ceramic style ornaments, you guys. These are gorgeous. They have initials on them with little snowflakes, and they're red. I have never seen these before at my Dollar Tree. I was so lucky to come across them on this trip. And look at this, they had more stocking holders. So here's one with Santa. They had an older woman and younger woman here. They have more Santas. Let me tell you guys, these are such good quality, and they're very heavy to hold all of your stockings on your mantle or shelf. Now here's another fun find. This is a gift sack. I love the fabric type of material, and this is large at 31 by 23 inches to hide all of your little gifts or to carry all your little gifts. Now one thing I love about this is not only the design, but it does have white drawstrings on it, so you're able to drawstring the top and carry all your gifts. Now here was another new find. Look at these mini stockings. I love the neutral color of these on burlap. They had them in black and red. And by the way, they do have these in larger sizes, so keep a lookout for these as well. Now for placemats, look at these. I've never seen these. This has a cute little barn and Christmas trees. It has bed and breakfast in the black and white buffalo check. Now they had another one in red and black buffalo check, and it had North Pole Tree Farm with the truck on there and Christmas trees this way. Really cute, all $1.25. Now I did finally find the mugs in the red and black buffalo check. Now they went fast, as you can see. There's only a few left, so if you see them, you need to grab them. They make great gifts. And look at these little cookies. So they have these pre-baked cookies in little packages at the Dollar Tree. Now these come in a kit where you can decorate them with the icing, and all the accessories come along with it. I think this would be such a fun activity for the kiddos. So if you see those, grab a few. It would make so much fun to do as a family. Now, they didn't forget the pets, and I saw these little bone toys here. Now, I'm sure they said naughty and nice, but for some reason, all the naughties were gone. I wonder why. But they did have these toys for the fur babies. Now, they did have a lot of different toys in the pet section, but check this out. I have never seen a celebration banner for the fur babies. So this one says, "Let's party." I mean, come on, how cute is that? So I'm so glad that Dollar Tree is inclusive for the fur babies for celebrations. Now in the kitchen section, check this out. Full-size Mason-style jars. Now, I love these clear jars. So fun to craft with and use for storage. And these have all the measurements on the side. I had never seen these before at my Dollar Tree. This was a first-time find. And I saw these last week in Simply Blessed, but look, they have one that says Be Thankful, and they also have one that says Sweet Home. So if you are on the lookout for these, just know I saw 3 different styles, so you could check those out. Now, over in the picture frames, I saw these frames and fell in love. I've never seen these. This is a 5x7 inside of a glass 8x10 frame. So I think this would look so good for your modern wall decor. It makes it so sleek and streamlined. They had 2 different styles of these, and they had this one that has a small 4x4 frame inside of a 6x6 frame, I believe. So if you're looking for these, check them out in your frame section. Now, I love the fact that those tall candles aren't in white only. They had a variety of colors in oranges and pinks, purples. I even saw some greens at another store. So if you're looking for colors, check out the Dollar Tree. Now, they have these new votive holders. I have never seen these votive holders before. They have one in black with a gold rim, and then they have one in a frosted color in a gold rim as well. I think these look so high-end, and incorporated into your decor would look great. Now, here's another new item I've seen. These coffee signs. So they're double layered, and they have a little light inside where they light up, which is cute. And here's another one that says hot cocoa with marshmallows served here. They make a great decor for the kitchen or the bar. And they had more decorative bins out. I love this gray and white, but they also have them in a pink and white color, which is really pretty. And they had them in almost a green and white. So if you're looking for different patterns of the different bins, they are showing up to the Dollar Tree. And they also have these back. Remember the red and black buffalo check and the black and white buffalo check? They are back. So keep a lookout for these as well. These are so fun to use, and these are 9x9. Now in the kitchen section, they also have these new chopping boards. Check it out. They have that rubbery outline on the handle and also the bottom corners to keep it from slipping. This is the largest plastic size that I've seen at the Dollar Tree, and this was new at my store. And they have new mixing bowls in gray, blue, and red. I have never seen these before. I've been looking for one. And one great thing about it, it has the measurements on the inside of the bowl, you guys, which is very convenient. So I did grab one. I plan to do a lot of baking for the holidays. And look at these cups. They have the 2-pack of coffee cups. Take it to go. Life is a beautiful adventure. Sit back and relax and make today count. Perfect gifts for the coffee drinker in your family. And look at these little containers. So these are the take-along 2-packs that the Dollar Tree carries, but they have them in a Christmas theme. So if you plan on giving baked goods as gifts, these would make perfect little containers for that. And then the kitchen towels. So I couldn't pass the kitchen section without looking at the towels. They had this cute one with Let's Get Cozy. They have a wine and coffee themed one. And how do I take my coffee? Seriously, had to get that one. And this one that says simmer down and roll with it. Love that one too. Now, if you missed my last video featuring more awesome Christmas and first-time finds at the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. Now, if you want to see what I create with my finds, my DIY videos will be on Tuesdays and Fridays, so set your alarms so you don't miss it. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. I know it's been difficult for some of you to find the zippered pillowcases at the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to be giving away a set of 4 of these to one lucky person. Now, to enter this giveaway, just leave a comment below answering this question. What are your top 3 favorite finds from today's shopping video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, December 6th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, you want to make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss the notification of the winner announcement. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish everyone good luck. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and be sure to leave me a comment letting me know what was your most exciting find at Dollar Tree recently. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.